Chosen one, this morning I want to quickly give you some prep talk before the weekend and also respond. This is me responding to a question I got from someone on my live. The person asked me, Mama, why when we help people as chosen one, we always get backstabbed? People never say thank you. Abantu soze bathi enkosi xa sibancedile. I'm trying to speak English for others, ke bethuna noba siyadluma. So I just got this message from my guides. The reason that we get to see abantu like that we were living with, whoever they are, turning their back on us or rejecting us or backstabbing us, end up gossiping about or whatever. We remember we are the light. So what we do when we are with people that still have to work on themselves, they are overwhelmed, they are covered with darkness, we actually burn them. The light burns the darkness in them. So that's why we always get people that just hate us out of the blue. Siyabanceda sibenzele izinto but umuntu akuzonde for helping them. So that's the reason kuba njalo bethunana. So another second question that I said, okay, so now why do I react? So because I had an issue and then I reacted. So but don't blame yourself when you react or when something happens. You say maybe babengayenzanga leya mhlawumbe ngeke ngandenzanga. So no, that's the way it was supposed to happen. For instance, if uphendule umuntu solba akwabe ngaphendulanga ngeke akhange benkulu la fight. No, you were right by ukumphendula ngela xesha because actually you unravel the hatred and the anger and the sneakiness ebebenayo against you. It could be someone that was acting as if uyakuthanda, all of a sudden with a legal misunderstanding avela kuthuka tin. That is the reason so don't blame yourself. I have been urged by my guys all the time kuyo yonke into eyenzekayo elifini yam from now on. Hayi Thando, every time everything happens, like they always urge me to say, ask yourself, why is this happening? Don't say or whatever. Ask yourself, why is this happening? We are actually showing you what kind of a person this person is. When you don't see it, and all that. So we are trying to show you ukuthi lo muntu unjani. So don't take it personal when someone suddenly akujikela and be a snake. But now they are being revealed. And a lot of us are going to go through a lot of the same thing until we learn from it. As I've said, lessons in life will be repeated until you learn from them. So it's the same thing between us. Let's just take the lessons. Let's stop taking things personal. Let's stop making things. This is the sacred spirit said, yes, we are physical, but right now that time is over. There is no reason for us to feel bad for helping people, for opening doors for abantu and stuff, and then basjigele. No, it's their baby, not yours. When are you done your part? You are the light. So switch on that light. Don't ever switch it off, and don't ever break your spirit because of how people behave. It's got nothing to do with you, but with their wounds. Peace out, family. Love and life. Have a lovely weekend. Cheers. I need a wine.